ngende wano crocodile no gwa wansi.
Isn't it coming? Let's go. When they want to try
I thank the government of Uganda and the World Bank through the IFPA project for having funded all these projects. Like you can see, we are standing here. This line is supposed to move from here up to Karusandara, where Queen Elizabeth National Park meets Chivale, and the target is 24 kilometers, and so far we have finished 6 kilometers. We also have another one between Nyamugasani Lower Bridge with Busunga. It is 18.7 kilometers proposed, and so far we have finished 13.5 kilometers. We began the fence in Rubirizi, but we have been extending it to other districts. Here in Kasese, so far we have 58.7 kilometers of the fence line. In Rubirizi, we have 20.5 kilometers of the fence line. In Chitagwenda, we have 7.9 kilometers of the fence line. Then Rukunjiri, we have 2.4 kilometers of the fence. And lastly, in Kanungu, we have 24.7 kilometers of the fence line. To electricity that power something like 6 kilometers. Every after 6 kilometers.
Ready? Okay, maybe a funny will stand somewhere in the background.
Yeah, ready for you.
No, let him use that background because this
Ugede.
Don't know the agenda, but since we started all together and we agreed that let us form a new one and into the draft constitution which we are drafting, such that by Monday that's fixed. About the same project, and I mean if you vote, you can't do this thing. Later we ask. What? Biibino amasanyalaze. Biibino na. Biibino. Situation center. Which is fair.
Enter the station, and we have an expert who will take us through that. Before we had a problem of animals, for example, buffaloes and elephants. They could enter our gardens and start eating them. Now, and it could limit us some of the crop to be grown here. Now, when you see around, you can see the garden, they are very okay. Since CD and the Wildlife Authority came and introduced live fence, which is electric fence, it has helped us to grow different crops.
Nshaba nkuko muri abanyamahurire mwamwagarikireyo twasimira bwo kutukorera icyo cya fence saba government tuhereze irrigation turukubi umushana n'ujya mwizo mu njura umushana kukujwa tubona abwe ibintu byito nibyoma twabwe na irrigation no mufamu ntasane erije muno environment na water ebyamizi nebyobuhangwa na World Bank abo kuturetera project eji kandi twherire munonga twantubona ujya mwashanga hatariho buju abantu bakabarara kuno bakurinde nko enjojo zenda kubita bamwe bafa kwihobwe President Museveni kwizere kuni yaturaganisa kutera offense y'amashanyarazi cyatwara ebisanja nkabishatu turyaho twaraba uwa bawujya ngo bariyumbisha kureta amashanyarazi ago konka kwiya amashanyarazi ago gazaho ni ngambo mbugufu kwiya amashanyarazi ago gazaho tukatunga chance taronyamishwa yone kwasikorabo mu ekijomu twinge msiri yitu tusharuraje